Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to mark your parking location on your Google Map on your Android device. So for this guys, first you need to park your vehicle. After parking, open the Google Map. After opening, here you can get one blue dot on your Google Map. As you can see, if you are not getting the blue dot icon, just you need to tap on that round circle icon. It will locate your exact location. As you can see, after this guys, just you need to tap on that blue dot icon like this. After this guys, just swipe your screen left side and here you can get the option safe parking. Just tap on it. That's it. Now it will save your parking location on your Google Map. As you can see, if you want to share that location, so just you need to tap on more info like this. After this guys, you can also share this or you can also save this location on your Google Map. When you want to redirect your parking location, just tap on direction tab like this. It will show your parking location where you have parked your vehicle. That's it. So this is the very easy and very useful trick to save your parking location on your Google Map. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.